is it? I'm just drilling to make sure that we're not gonna fall through. Are you sure? What about up here? Oh my gosh.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
It's frozen. It's really frozen. There's a hole that he drilled. Oh, there it is. There's the hole. Where are you at?
I'm in the middle of a lake right now, drilling to check the depth. And I drilled 4 holes and I pulled some water out. I think it's about 6 inches.
He's all the way up there. He drilled one more hole just to make sure it's all the way frozen through. It's really thick ice, but we're just doing this as a precaution. What was that? I just felt a rumble.
You hear something?
Yep, I felt it.
Oh, what?
I felt like a rumble in the ground. Babe, what was that?
It's just what ice makes, but it's still 4 or 5 inches over here.
Yeah, but why did it do that?
You don't remember the first time we did this with the dogs?
It didn't do that, it was cracking.
It's normal in the morning.
Oh my gosh. I don't think that's normal. You can't even see him.
Alright guys, we're out on the lake. We've been drilling spots all over the lake, right? We've been going far out to where it looks melted. We drill a spot. We're over 6 inches deep.
Wait.
You're good.
For sure.
Yeah, you're good. Really cool spot I want to show you guys. You can see all the bubbles from this. This was must have been like a warm spot that came up. All right, we're gonna drill. Right. So since the drill's so big, we gotta drill 3 holes so we can go deeper.
That further.
I still haven't even hit water. There we go.
There's water.
It took all the way up to here. Check this out. Right? My flashlight. The ice is down to about here on the flashlight, which is definitely.
So you're sure it's good? Was there any spots?
There's like 5 or 6 inches.
Was there any spots that were cracked?
No. Well, yeah. Actually, come here.
I don't want to go to it.
It's not. I checked it. It's at least 5 or 6 inches.
I gotta put my glove back on. My hand is numb.
Life is a winding road.
Aren't your hands numb?
Not that I know. I'm about to put the skates on.
Oh my gosh.
I'm ready to go.
All right, we're gonna put our skates on, and then we're gonna head out.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,
I just saw shooting star.
for traffic lights.
See that?
And
Good night.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.